How to fix Eero Wi-Fi not connecting. Step 1. Check the Eero app. Open the Eero app, go to Home, and check your network status. If it says online, tap Troubleshoot your connection and follow the diagnostic prompts. Step 2. Check the Ethernet cable. Make sure the Ethernet cable between your modem/ONT and gateway Eero is firmly connected. Unplug and then reconnect both ends. If possible, try another Ethernet cable. Eero specifically recommends checking this connection when the network is offline. Step 3. Restart the Eero and modem. Unplug the Eero from power, wait about 30 seconds, and reconnect it. Then restart your modem and wait for the modem to fully reconnect. Then allow the Eero to boot. A functioning Eero normally returns to a solid white LED. Step 4. Forget and reconnect to the Wi-Fi. If only one device won't connect, forget the Eero Wi-Fi network on that device. Then go to its Wi-Fi settings, select your Eero network, go to Forget, reconnect, and enter the Wi-Fi password again. Step 5. Check if your modem has internet. Connect a computer directly to your modem using Ethernet and try opening a website. If the computer also has no internet, the problem is probably upstream of your Eero. Eero recommends this test to determine whether your ISP or modem connection is working. Step 6. Check for an ISP problem. If the modem itself doesn't have internet, check for an ISP outage or contact your provider. If your ISP requires PPOE or static IP or VLAN settings, these can also prevent Eero from establishing its WAN connection. You can find these under the Eero app. Just go to Settings and then ISP Settings. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.